Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we're going to talk about a couple of ways to stop text from spilling out into other cells in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take text that is spilling out, like we have up here in this top sheet, and either change the size of every row so that it fits into one column, or wrap the text over here so that it increases the size of the rows themselves. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So here I have an Excel spreadsheet where I am not keeping all of this text in one column. I mean, I could just slide the column like this and then all my text would be in one column. But there's a couple other ways you can take care of this if you want to have a specific column size. So the first thing I can do is I can highlight all of my data, and then I can right click and I can go to Format Cells. And under the alignment option right here, I can select Wrap to Text and then say OK. And now you can see that all of my text that's spilling out over here is now being wrapped and my rows have gotten taller. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Another option I have if I don't want to change the width of the column or the height of the row is that I can select all of my data, right click, go to Format Cells, choose Alignment again, and this time I can do Shrink to Fit, and then say OK. And now I can see that my font size changes based on how wide my column is to fit everything into that column and keep the row height the same. So if I stretch this column, I can see that my fonts are still growing like a little bit, but they are all different because the length of the text is different. Now we go into this a little bit more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.